Welcome to our channel. If you're preparing for the real estate license exam, knowing the most common topics and concepts tested can give you a significant advantage. In this video, we'll break down the key areas you need to focus on. Let's dive in. First up, real estate principles. This section covers the basic of real estate, including definitions, types of property, and real estate cycles. Understanding these foundational concepts is crucial as they form the basis for more complex topics. Next, property ownership and land use controls. You'll need to know about different forms of property ownership, such as joint tenancy, tenancy in common, and sole ownership. This section also covers land use controls, including zoning laws, building codes, and environmental regulations. These laws affect how properties can be used and developed. Real estate law and practice is another critical area. This includes understanding contracts, agency relationships, and the legal responsibilities of real estate agents. Make sure you're familiar with different types of listing agreements, buyer agency agreements, and purchase agreements. Valuation and market analysis is essential for determining property values. You'll need to know about appraisal methods, comparative market analysis, and factors that influence property values. Understanding how to assess a property's value accurately is a vital skill for any real estate professional. Financing and settlement covers the financial aspects of real estate transactions. This includes different types of loans, mortgage processes, and closing procedures. Be sure to understand key concepts like loan-to-value ratio, interest rates, and the roles of various parties in the closing process. Property disclosures and environmental issues are also frequently tested. You'll need to know about required disclosures such as lead-based paint and how to handle environmental hazards like asbestos and mold. Being knowledgeable about these issues ensures that you're protecting your clients and complying with the law. Finally, one of the best ways to prepare is by taking practice exams and using effective study strategies. Practice exams help you get used to the format and timing of the actual test. Focus on areas where you feel less confident and make sure to review any incorrect answers to understand your mistakes. To sum up, focusing on these common topics and concepts will give you a solid foundation for the real estate license exam. Keep studying consistently, use practice exams, and you'll be well on your way to success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and resources on your real estate journey. See you next time.